Virat visited a lake and he has good experience about this place. This is a lush forest, morning dawn with dew on emerald leaves. Birds chirped, parrots chattered. Peacocks danced and sparrows fluttered. Virat strolled through. Trees whispered calm. Streams flowed softly. Sunbeams filtered. He spotted a kingfisher dive for fish. A hornbill flew overhead, majestic. Saw butterflies dance with mynas. He breathed deep, felt tension-free. Nostalgic sense of old trees and wet earth-filled lungs. Virat smiled, nature heals. He gained energy, a fresh mind. Virat smiled, nature heals. He gained energy, a fresh mind.